Hello everyone, it's me Adrian, and today we are going to solve the New York Times Sudoku from August 13, 2026. I already opened the hard version, as you can see here, and like I did last time, to solve it faster, I already screenshotted and moved the puzzle in Sudoku Coach interface. And let's start. Okie dokie. I will add the notes. Okay, so visual. I can see here a naked pair. So we can eliminate the 9 from the 1 and 4 from here, and we are left with a 9. We eliminate 1 and 4 from here. Okay, and we have another naked pair in this block, 8, 6, 8, 6. So I can take out 8, 6 from here, and from here. So 8, 6 out. 8, 6. Okie dokie. Okay, what else we can see without going through the notes? I'll take the notes. Okay, 1. Too many, nothing. 2. Nothing obvious. 3. We have a single hidden 3 in here, we fill it. Locked candidates. So we eliminate all these 3 and nothing else for the moment. Number 4, nothing that I can see. Number 5, nothing for the moment. 6, hidden single 6, we fill it, and nothing. Go to 7, Mr. 7, nothing. 8, we have a hidden single 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 now. 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5. This is a naked quadruple. 1, 2, 4, 5 can be only in these 4 squares. So we can eliminate 1, 2, 4, 5 from everywhere on this column. So from here we have only 1 to take out. Here 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. And now we have a 6, 9. Let's see, 6, 9. No help in this column. Let me see, 1, 7, 1, 2, 4. No help. Okay, where I was with the notes, I think 8, 9. Nothing. We go back to number 1. Okay. But first let me inspect visually. 1, 2, 5, 7, nothing. 1, 5. We have 1, 4 here, naked pair. So we can, in this block, we can eliminate everywhere the 1 and 4. Here we take out 1 and 4, we are left with the 3. Okay, here we take out 1 and 4, we have 7. Here we take out only the 1. Here 1 and 4, and 8 and 6. So in this row, we have another quadruple formed by this 1, 2, 4, 5. As you notice, this puzzle has a symmetry. with 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8 and 6. So on this row we cannot have elsewhere another 1, 2, 4, 5. So from here I take out 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and from here 5, and we have another naked pair, 7, 9. It doesn't help. We have a naked single here, a 5. I will just fill it to clear the board. Okay. And we start to look pretty good. 5. I'll take the notes back. So 1. I don't see anything. 2. 1, 7, 1, 4. This is a quadruple, but we don't use it because there's nothing to eliminate. Let's go to number 3. Nothing. Number 4. Number 4. Yes, we have locked candidates, so they can be only on this column. Therefore, on any other column in this block, they can be eliminated, the 4s. So we take this out. Okay. So number 4, what else? Number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, nothing. Let's go to 5. 5. Nothing. 6. Mr. 6. Nothing. 7. Here we have an X-wing, and therefore on this row I can eliminate this 7. Okay, what else? We go to 8. Hopefully you cannot hear my laptop, it's very hot. Here in Ireland we have nearly 30 degrees. Yesterday also was hot with the eclipse. Okay, 9. Nothing. Let's take another look. 7, 9, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. Nothing. 1, 2, 4, 8. Nothing. 1, 7, 9. Let's see, like I showed you in a previous video, I can identify the hidden pairs with highlighted colors. And we I don't see any. 1 and 4. 2, 7, 7, 5. I don't see anything. Amazing. This is a very difficult puzzle. Or I cannot see it. 8, 6, 8, 6. I already eliminated. 5, 8, 5, 7. 4, 3. No. Yes, we do have 2 and 5. As you can see, they are hidden between 1 and 9. You cannot find them in any other square on this column. Therefore, here can be only 2 and 5, and I will take out 1 and 9, and here I will take out 1 and 9. And that's it. I will take out the colors if I know how. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 4. Here we take out 1. We are left with a 9. 2, 5. I think here we have a single 9. Here is a 6. the puzzle starts to crack, I think. Not sure yet. It's not yet. Oh, let's see without any notes. We can see anything. 8, 6, 7, 9, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, nothing. 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. So how many numbers we have? 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. No, too many. Okay, I'll put back the notes. Number 1, nothing. Number 2, 2, 2, 2, nothing. 3, locked. This is locked. Nothing. 4, locked, locked. Nothing. 5, I don't see anything. Usually I'm far better when I solve this on my phone. I already made a video, I think 2 days ago. I showed you how I solve the New York Times puzzle on my phone. 6. But I don't know, you need to see it on a computer to zoom the image, or in the landscape on your phone to zoom in, because otherwise you cannot see the notes, I think. 8, locked, locked, locked. 2, 7, 8, 9, nothing. So 8, this, 9. Single 9 in here. And we should be good, but still not cracked. Let me see if I can see anything without the highlighted notes. 1, 2, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4. But we're missing 1. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 8, 6. 1, 2, 8, 6. 1, 4. Nothing. 2, 7, 8. Imagine how much time you need to solve this without the highlighted notes. Okay, 2, 4, 5. 1, 7, 5. Oh my god, I cannot do it. 1, 2, 8, 6. 1, 2, 8, 6. 1, 2, 8, 6. It's a 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 elements quintuple, I think. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. These 5 numbers. We have them in here, 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 and yes, it's a quintuple, but here it's an unique 4. Okay, so we take the easy answer. Oops, 4. And now I think we made a huge step with this 2, 5, 7 naked triple. We take out the 5 here. We are left with a 3. And let's go back to number 1. Here is a single hidden number 1, number 1, number 2, and now we are done. So like 14 minutes with notes. Now I'm just filling what's obvious. Guys, please leave a comment. How do you find this method that I am using? Can you do it? I know this is more for you from United States, but everyone has access to Sudoku Coach, to New York Times. How is it for you? Do you find it easier? So 1, 1, 4, 1, 4 naked pair. This is an 8. Yes, we finished. This is a 4. This is a 1, 4. Personally, I tried to solve the New York Times puzzle without notes, the hard one, not the medium and easy. That ones are easy without notes. The hard one I tried without notes, but I already reached 20 minutes and I was a quarter in progress, so I gave up. I don't want to make a video 90 minutes. But I don't think I would be capable without any notes. I don't know. I didn't study bigger channels to see how they do it without any notes. Maybe they are smart, but can you understand what they are doing? Because that's my purpose, no? So it took me 16 minutes. And now I'm just filling here. So 2, 1, 6, 8, 4, 9. I also leave the 2, 1, 6, 8, 4. I leave the notes just in case. So 7, 6, 1. 7, 6, 1. I leave the notes in case I can see something like here. I'll just fill it. I don't need to look in my left and to copy the results. 4, 8, 9. Okay, here we have 4, 9, 8. 4, 9, 8. Here is a 1. Here is a 4. Here is a 9, 6, 8. Okay, here we have 2, 3, and 5, and 7. So I'm waiting for your comments to see how do you find this method. Because for me it's either I can solve it or not. So I can solve it only with Sudoku Coach, highlighted notes. Or I cannot solve it at all, but that's a big challenge for me, and usually I like challenges. I like to solve them, not only Sudoku. I'm also playing chess, playing tennis. I have another 2 channels, but they are not so successful because I have a lot to learn about YouTube. This one goes easy for me. The Sudoku solving. So 7, 5, and 8, and 2, and where is this? Ah, here. Okay, 2 minutes, oh my god. Okay guys, I will leave you now, and please leave me your opinions in the comments. Bye bye.